The Four Corners Monument is the only place where four states meet: Arizona, New Mexico, Colorado, and Utah. The monument was built to mark this unique feature of this region of the country. The site has been a gathering place for Native Americans for centuries, and it's now a popular tourist attraction. The origins of the state boundaries marked by the monument occurred just before and during the American Civil War. The United States Congress acted to form governments in the area to combat the spread of slavery to the region. Their boundaries were designated along meridian and parallel lines. Beginning in the 1860s, these lines were surveyed and marked. These early surveys included some errors, but even so, the markers placed became the legal boundaries, superseding the written descriptions of geographical meridians and parallels. This includes the Four Corners Monument, which has been legally established as the corner of the four states. The monument is in a remote area and there are no accommodations and services are limited. The closest gas station is located about 30 miles from the monument. It is also usually very hot. So when you visit, plan with this in mind. Around the monument, local Navajo and Ute artisans sell souvenirs and food. An admission fee is required to view and photograph the monument. The monument is a popular tourist attraction despite its remote and isolated location. This has been USA Guide. Thanks for watching.